memorabilia box break number 107. Thank you guys. Appreciate it. We rolled this dice for this as the next box to break. You can go back to the previous football memorabilia break and check out the dice roller. Good luck to all parties. And we got for the... Does Dallas have hits? I keep forgetting. Dallas Cowboys, Amari Cooper. I think they do. Maybe this was the first hit they've got, I think. Dallas Cowboys, Amari Cooper. Fanatics. Number one piece of advice. Keep buying the teams ahead. All right. Ooh, this is nice. We got a nice mini helmet autograph. DK Metcalf for the Seahawks. That's definitely Fanatics, dude. Oh, no, it's BGS. Or Beckett, I should say. Wow. Very nice. Seattle, DK. Thought that was Fanatics. Clean signature on it. And we got for the Buffalo Bills, Devin Singletary. Devin Singletary for the Buffalo Bills. Buffalo Bills go round the outside, round the outside, round the outside. Alright, let's see who owns this stuff. $900 a box for Super Jumbo. What the heck is going on? Jeez. All right, let's see who has the Cooper. Dallas. Looks like Milkman. Milkman with Amari Cooper. Have a good week. Gregor, thank you, buddy. Oh, you've got Seattle? Okay, awesome. Thank you, man. This was Milkman. Okay. So, Hazy, you said you have Seattle? You have Seattle. Okay, awesome. Thank you, bro. Nice helmet, dude. And let's look up the Bills. Buffalo Bills round the outside. Round the outside. Buffalo Bills going to Petey, IPF. Petey Bo Beatty. otherwise known as IPF.